Hey guys, welcome back to Wixfix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the perfect contact page. Now in this series, we really don't focus too much on the design, but we do go over the type of content that you should be displaying on this page. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we're going to add is just a normal strip. Now this one can just be a colored background if you want, or you can have it be an image. For this one today, we're just going to leave it as this color, and then we can add a text just like that. And you can say contact, or if you feel like being more creative, you can say get in touch. I feel like this is a better option because when people click the contact button to come to this page, they already know it's the contact page. So this is just a different way to say it that doesn't seem too repetitive or too obvious. And if you have any information that you would like to display here, then you can also add a little paragraph to give your users a little bit more information if you would like. However, it's not always necessary. The next thing that you would probably want is maybe a form or your contact information. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just activate the toolbar over here in the top right. I'm going to give us some room to work with this section right here. So I'm going to give us like 600 pixel space, just like that. And we'll go ahead and add a column. So we're going to press layout and add a column. Over here on the left, maybe we can add an image. And for this image, you might want to choose like an image of your office or maybe your team or something like that. So we'll go ahead and choose this one, which is kind of a mixture of both. And then over here on the right, what we can add is just a little paragraph with maybe some contact information. So maybe this one can be your phone number. Down below that, we can have like an email address. And then down below that, we can maybe have your address. Okay, and then for each one of these, we'll want some sort of title. So I'm just going to copy this paragraph. Maybe let's lower the size a little bit to maybe like 16 pixels. And we'll also change the color. And here we'll just say phone. We'll copy and paste this. Email. We'll copy and paste it one more time. And this one will be address. So you can have something that looks similar to this, maybe just a little bit better designed. And I don't like how this is not really sitting over the center or over the left or right. So maybe what you can do for this top section is just add a column. Over here in the left-hand side, we can delete the paragraph. And over here, maybe we can go ahead and delete the title. And here we can just extend this out a little bit like that. And then we can bring up the paragraph to match the height and then expand this out just a little bit. And then we can bring this up to something like this, and we can align this with the text underneath it and give it like this sort of effect like this, which I think looks really nice. Now below that, you can add another strip if you want. And for this one, maybe you want to have a contact form. So once again, we'll give us some more room to work with. We can go to add, contact, and forms, and we can just choose one of these for right now. And of course, you can design this however you want and add the fields that you want. But for now, all I'm really going to do is just remove the background color. And then if you wanted to, you could also add, if you come over to contact and forms and maps, you can also add a map if you want. So you can, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see full width maps, and you can just choose one of these. However, I would say that this is somewhat of an outdated feature on websites. Now, if you're some sort of restaurant with multiple locations, then this might be beneficial to have. But if you're just one business with one headquarters or something, I feel like this might seem a little dated. And if you are a restaurant or a company with multiple locations, then you might want to use this, or there are some better options out there. In fact, I have created another video on creating cooler maps when you have multiple locations. So the video to that will be linked in the description if you are interested. But for now, I think I will just go ahead and delete this. And basically this is what a contact form should have. Now the layout for this can be completely up to you. You know, I feel like you can go to a lot of different types of websites to get inspiration for the layout. However, for the content, you know, this is basically what you're aiming to look like. Now to show you a different variation, I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this page real quick. And let's just go ahead. I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to delete this right column. I'm going to expand this down, something like this. And then maybe for this strip, we can add that office picture. And we can add a little overlay to it as well. And this text we can make white. And for this column right here, maybe what we can do is just delete the column. What we want to do with this one is maybe change the background to this red. For these text elements right here, we can go ahead and make it white. Then what we can do is go ahead and go into layout and we'll add 3 columns. And for this first one, we're only going to leave phone. For this second one, we're going to only leave email. And then for this third one, we're only going to leave address. So now let's just go ahead and bring these up to match the height of these other ones. And we can bring this up just like this. And we can have something that looks similar to this. And I think that looks really cool as well. So as you can see, there are many ways that you can do this on your website, and it's completely up to you on how you want to kind of design and style it. There are millions of ways to do this, but for the general gist, you know, you want to have a title, you want to have your contact information, and you want to have a contact form, because some people prefer to use the form, and some people, if they need just something really quick, they can email you or text you, or if they're trying to get to your location, they can just go to your address. But that basically wraps it up for the video today, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.